wa kilomita 860 gatagati wa bururi wa Kenya na Ethiopia niworotetuo guteithia wendia wa andu kuuma muhuro wa bururi wa Eriteria aria marehaguo mucii munene wa Nairobi kugerera mutito kana kugerera mitito thabari ya thikũ 30 na gucoka guthamirio bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia kana Europe. Munene wa wabici ya mucirithania wa macira ma muingi mwena wa Moyale niwe Harrison Kiarie augite airitu anini nio kaingi makoretwo makigumirwo ni wendia uyu wa andu na kuria mahuthikaga kwiyendia kimwiri kana kurutwo ciiga cia mwiri na igacoka guthie kwendio.
Some of them use very dangerous routes. They walk for hours, day and night in forests. Some of the victims that we have rescued, they have told us that they will have 1 meal per day. They don't have somewhere to sleep, they just sleep in the forest. So you'll find that we have a porous border, especially Kenya and Ethiopia, and through these panya routes, and it's very difficult for officers around Moyale to be able to intercept and rescue these victims. To report that in 2022, last year, around July, from July 26, the new Children Act was signed into law, and now currently we have better protection of children who are either victims of human trafficking or who are in conflict with the law generally.
Actually, for the last 3 or 4 years, we have been implementing a project on combating child trafficking. And I can say, you have asked the question whether it is increasing or decreasing. I can say it's very much unpredictable. It's unpredictable in that sometimes nobody has. One of the key challenges, fundamental challenges we're having here is the statistics, the records, the data. Nobody knows the number of Kenya-Ethiopian border stretches over 860 kilometers. And it is very porous. Moyale is the only registered border point. So nobody knows how many people are crossing the border.
The imams, when you're in the mosque, preach that child abuse is, violence against children is not good. When you're in the church, preach that. When you're in the office or DPP, even the perpetrators, that whatever you've done is wrong, encourage others also not to engage in that. All CSOs, the World Vision is present here. Make sure that wherever you go, ato kika kwa matatu, if you're seated next to someone, just tell them that child abuse is not the right thing to do.